look at exercise number 24, Python JSON. Okay, so what is JSON? So JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data through different platforms. Okay, so JSON is a text written with JavaScript object notation. So it stands for this one lah, JavaScript object notation. Okay, so that's the jargon for JSON lah. So JSON in Python has a built-in package called JSON. So you have to so I didn't turn on the mic previously. So I was explaining about exercise number 24, Python JSON. Okay. Okay, let me reiterate what I have already explained. And I hope everybody is ready for the explanation. So let's look into exercise number 24, Python JSON, which is a syntax for storing and exchanging data, okay, across platform. Okay. So JSON is a text written with JavaScript object notation. So the abbreviation of JSON is actually JavaScript object notation. And to use JSON in Python, there is a built-in package called JSON. Okay, you can use the JSON package to work with JSON data. Okay, so you have to import JSON first lah, like this one. So let's import JSON, and you don't have to install. It's already there when you install Python. The library is there, just have to import it. Okay, so and then you need to know how to parse a JSON string. A JSON is a string, and you have to load up the JSON string first using the JSON.load method, and then it will return a Python dictionary. So you can manipulate that JSON string. Okay, so let's convert from JSON to Python. So first import JSON, and then this is some JSON that I have. Usually this JSON will come from file, right? So a string of file. Bayangkan macam ni kan, teks macam ni tapi dia duduk kat dalam file. So what happen is that you use file.open, you open the file that contains the JSON file, and then from the JSON file you load up the JSON, and it will return to a variable that is a Python dictionary. So kita dah belajar dah Python dictionary kan. Nampak tak kalau kita tengok first ni, if I print the type X is first load up using this string. So now the JSON is a type string. Okay, dia bukan type JSON lah. Dia adalah string biasa saja, tapi dengan format JSON. Okay, and we have already loaded up or imported up the JSON library. So JSON library can identify a JSON string. So when it loads up the string, okay, it returns the value y. So that if we print the type the data type y here, okay, so it returns a data dictionary. So you can actually use this all the data inside the JSON string, similar as if you were using a data dictionary. So if I were to print age, it will print 30 lah. In this case, it prints 30. Okay. So this is another example. Okay. Sorry. Let me see. So the series of the sequence element, the sequence element has length 1, 2 is required. Let me see. Apa? Okay. I think it's because of this. I cannot do that. So I need to do something like this. Right? So this is a string. Let me see. This, if I were to remove this, tak boleh juga. Let me see. as length 1 2 is required. I'm not sure why this happened. Supposedly if I were to create A macam ni kan, tak boleh kan. A kalau I buat macam ni 1 1 comma 2 1. Nanti I check balik kenapa saya buat contoh ni. Okay, so I'll leave it like this first. I'm not sure why it's there. Okay, nanti I check balik. So let's convert from Python to JSON. So this is Python dictionary. Convert to JSON string. So we use the method json.dump. Tadi json.loads. Okay, so now json.dumps dumps the result in a string. So you have this one dictionary, dumps it in a string. I will print the value, okay, and the type. Okay, it will be the string and the data type string, and then we'll try to open back. We will write the string to a file. This is the file that we're gonna write, test.json, right? And then close it lah. Okay, so this is the uh, things that we will write. Okay. And then after we finish, we will load up like what we have already written to the file. Nampak tak ni? Open the JSON. We open the JSON string, read it, and then loads up in a Python dictionary, and then I tried to call up the name. Why name? Kan dia akan panggil John. So this is a simple example of changing between a JSON string to a data dictionary, and data dictionary change back to a JSON string. So in this example, it's a JSON string. It's a data dictionary converted to a JSON string, written to a file, and then opening it back as a file, and it reads as a string. Loads up using the JSON.load. Okay, it will return the JSON string as a data dictionary back, and then you can access the loaded up JSON string similar as if you were loading up a data dictionary. So you can convert Python object of the following type into JSON string. So all these kan semua ni boleh jadi JSON string. Okay, so this is how you do it lah. Okay, you can try it yourself. So if I run this, okay, so all this is converted lah to a JSON string kalau you pakai json.dump tu. Okay, so this is just another example. Ni kan. So kalau kita ada data dictionary yang macam ni, kita dump ni, kita dapat lah JSON string yang macam ni. Tapi dia formatting dia macam tak teratur kan. Kalau kita buat data dictionary, dia teratur, right? So just add up a new parameter. Okay, parameter baru iaitu indent equals to 4. Okay, nampak tak? Dia jadi lagi better, right? And then you can add separator. Okay, and then yang ni I change indent 3, separator katalah indent 4 juga. 4 separator. So nampak tak? So the instead of the colon, dia pakai equal sign. And then dia tak macam ni lah. Macam ni kan dia apa tu, dia terlalu dia one line kan. Jadi kalau you pakai separator yang macam ni, dia akan nampak lebih teratur lah. Macam how similar to how you write a apa tu, data dictionary. Kalau you tak nak guna equal sign kan, you nak pakai colon, tukar je lah colon. Okay, so similar to how you write a data dictionary. So you can also sort. Okay, sort kan ikut dia punya key dia, age, car, model ni, semua dia akan apa tu, sortkan untuk you. Alright. So ini contoh yang lain lah, macam mana nak apa itu, dumps the data dictionary and then write to a file name and then close it. Ini adalah sama juga ada soalan dalam final exam, dia keluar macam mana nak create a function that receive a data dictionary and write to a file. Ni contoh lah. Okay. Contohnya macam ni. Sorry. This data ni kat atas ni. Kan? So kalau saya run create JSON this data, new JSON, dia akan create file new JSON dengan new data, dictionary data yang saya create ni lah. So bila saya open, saya boleh access balik apa yang ada dalam file yang ada kat atas tu. Alright. So I think that's it that I can cover for today's session. Right. So we have already looked into two